I'm here in Y, the Youth Hostel Association Hotel. You see right here, and there's the background. I'm here on the rooftop of that YSL hotel, and here is overlooking the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Those boats. You can see the boats, and you can see the Opera House. Look at that, beautiful. And that's the Sydney Harbour Bridge, and this is where the Circular Quay, Circular Quay station, is the way we pronounce it. And those are the beautiful bridge, and also the sales force. Beautiful. You can see those buildings, and there's we're on the rooftop. Beautiful. And there's the bridge, one of the highway that goes to the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful here. It's Cherry A, and this is where the ground. Wow, beautiful. Salesforce. Some ship there, some ferry boat.